Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick AliExpress haul. I picked up a few things a couple of weeks ago and it's been coming in little by little. So of course I want to share with you guys what I picked up. I picked up some sequins in these super pretty colors. Let me show you guys up close. So we got this super cute like mint green. They're a little smaller than I expected, so next time I might go up a size. I still like them though. And then I got this more kind of like a muted mint. I got these darker pink ones. Some pastel purple ones. And I think these colors are perfect for summer. And then the pastel pink. And these were super cheap. I think they were like 55 cents a pack. I'll have them linked down below so you guys can definitely go check it out. You guys know that anything I talk about in my videos, I tend to put on my down bar. So if you have any questions, always check down the description bar. I put all the links. If I refer to any videos, everything I tend to put on my description bar. And I do have some affiliated links. So I would appreciate it if you used my link. It helps support the channel and I appreciate you guys so much. So yeah, that's that. And the next thing I want to show you guys is these super cute seam bindings. I had seen Sweet Crafty Girl post these and of course I had to pick some up in my favorite colors. I got the peach, the mint green, and the pink. And these were super affordable as well, as everything is on AliExpress. And then the last thing I want to show you guys are these little ring binders. Is it? Oh, binder rings. I think I said that backwards. Binder rings. And I had purchased these quite some time ago, but I never showed them to you guys. And I really think that they're worth purchasing. You get a good amount. I had seen Absolutely Alice post them first, and then I went and purchased them. You get 10 in a pack for like $1 something. So I got some mint green ones, and these are perfect for like tag clips or mini albums. I got some pink ones, pastel pink ones, like light ones, and then some darker pink ones. I wish they had the peach ones because you guys know that I have a color theme going on here. Those are my favorite colors. I kind of tend to be drawn to them in anything that I buy. But yeah, you guys, that is my quick AliExpress haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys.